guess to.
Hello everyone.
Good morning guys, we are in Shantigunj, Haridwar. This is the second episode of Uttarakhand vlog and welcome back to the channel. Right now we are exploring the place, kind of holy place, and after this place we'll be heading to Rishikesh. So this will be an exciting vlog because Rishikesh is one of my favorite places of all time because it's been 6 years that I last visited this place. So 6 years, right?
Yeah, 6 years.
6 years. So we'll explore this place first and then we'll head to Rishikesh. So let's go. जो फूड हम अभी खा रहे थे दैट इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड यहाँ पे एंट्री भी फ्री है, तो खाना बहुत अच्छा था यहाँ पर. दे सर्व इट 2 times, you know, starting from 8 AM till 12 PM and then 4 PM to 8 PM. So if you are heading to this place you can explore all these things and you can check out these things. यहाँ पर ऑटोज़ के ऑप्शन बहुत सारे हैं, लाइक शेयर ऑटोज़ एंड सीजन्स के हिसाब से वो आकर आपसे डिमांड कर सकते हैं पैसे, बट यू कैन नेगोशिएट एट द सेम टाइम. हम ऋषिकेश भी हम इसी ऑटो से जा रहे हैं, शेयर ऑटो से, हम अपने ग्रुप के साथ. तो अभी बस ऋषिकेश के लिए निकल रहे हैं हम. So once reaching Rishikesh, we are heading to Neelkanth Mahadeva. So that is like approximately 30 to 35 kilometers from this place. And my voice sucks. I don't know why. बहुत ज़्यादा severe pain है, throat pain है. I'm so sorry for that. We are near नीलकंठ पर्वत, I mean नीलकंठ महादेवा we reached, and यहाँ से हमको हाइक करना पड़ेगा for few minutes. मंदिर में दर्शन हमने कर लिया. अभी नेक्स्ट हमको रिवर राफ्टिंग के लिए निकल रहे हैं. पता नहीं आज हो पाएगा कि नहीं. क्या
एग्जिट हुआ है चले भी
ना तो चाहिए.
कोई एग्जिट
देखते हैं.
आज तो चाहिए लेफ्ट से एग्जिट पार्टी.
So we are going for river rafting adventure. चलो ऋषिकेश में पहली बार. First time in Rishikesh we are doing river rafting. Let's do it! எப்படி?
Awesome experience, bhai. Hey guys. Hello.
How was the experience?
It was awesome.
पूजा का दोस्त कोई बचो.
हट जा हट जा. साइड साइड. बोल गंगा
मैया की जय. पिपे पूरे भाग रहे हैं.
We are here in Haridwar, Uttarakhand, and we are here at the great wedding.
Yeah.
Okay. And just now we had a dinner, and I have my people with me over here, and we are enjoying this party. And we are so happy to be with her. Like it's been so long. I'm meeting like 1 year, right?
No, 1 year.
Yeah, it's 1 year.
3 years.
2018 में आप आए थे ना? January. Yeah.
17.
No, 2018.
17.
Okay, it's fine. Whatever she is, but we really missed her, and now we are with her. So we are really happy to be with her in this party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Vandana and I'm sister of Jay, and it's like a pleasure to be here, to meet everyone over here. अरे यार बहुत सालों के बाद मिले, बहुत खुशी हो रही है. और जय का मैं चैनल बहुत दिखती हूँ and I subscribe the channel and I watch the channel. I love all his vlogs, I comment, I give the likes and all. So I think this is also going to be one of his vlog, and I think I'm also going to be there. And hopefully in future, if I make my vlogs, then definitely I'm going to share a few of my moments with Jay. Jay.
Yeah.
Till then, guys, see you soon.
Subscribe, huh? Subscribe कर लो.
Okay.